Those who know me know that I absolutely love Christmas, and this is one of my all-time favorite Christmas presents, and I'm going to show you how to make it. Hi, I'm Carol Lee from the unretireddesigner.com. Would you like to learn how to make a quick, easy, and inexpensive Christmas gift? I'm going to show you how. This is what you'll need to make the glass block Christmas presents. Go to Michael's and get a decorative glass block. They come in 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches, 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches, and 4 by 8 inches. I'll be using a 5.5 inch by 5.5 inch block for this project, and the original one was 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches. You'll also need a string of lights from the Dollar Tree, a pair of scissors, and a length of wire ribbon. The glass blocks from Michael's come with a plug in the side with a hole in the center. I am cutting 4 cuts at a 45-degree angle to make it easier to put the lights in later on. Cut a length of ribbon to tie around the glass block. The ribbon that I'm using is 1 3/4 inches, and the ribbon that was used in the larger glass block was 2.5 inches. Tie a bow around the glass block in the style that you prefer. If you're using a ribbon like I am, with a pattern only on one side, twist the loop as you pull it through, so the pattern shows on the outside. Here I notice one of the tails is upside down, so I'm twisting it around so the pattern is on the top, and then with some final adjusting of the loops to make sure that they're the same size and get a little bit of fluffing, I'm going to cut the tails on an angle to finish off the ends nicely. Next, I'm going to take the lights from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to push them through the hole in the plug until they're all inside, just leaving the plug on the outside. Now I'm cutting the tags off so it's all nice and tidy. All told, this present took me less than 5 minutes to put together, and the person I'm going to give it to is absolutely going to love it. This cost me about $13 Canadian. If I used a larger glass block, it would have cost me about $15. This is what my glass block present looks like all lit up. I wanted to make another present with the larger size glass block, but my Michael's was out of the larger size. So I went to the home improvement store and bought a masonry block and a diamond bit. My diamond bit came with a template which I clamped to the side of the glass block. Make sure you're wearing safety glasses when you do this. Hold your drill straight up and down at a 90-degree angle and drill slowly through your glass block, stopping every now and then to blow the dust out. This took me about 5 minutes, but the hole was nice and smooth when I was done, and all I had to do was put the lights through and put the ribbon on, just like the other present that I made. Here are the 3 different glass block presents. I hope this helps you with your last-minute gift ideas. Please subscribe to my channel. I make 1 video a week on home decor, DIY, and home organization. I hope you and your family have a Merry Christmas.